I was listening to Hassan Minaj talking about how some of his people in his culture view or describe black people. Instantly, I remember when I played for Sunrisers Hyderabad in 2013 and 2014, I was being called the exact same word that he described that was degrading to us black people. I must admit, at the time in which I was being called that, I actually did not know what it meant. I thought it meant strong stallion or whatever it is, and I saw no problems with it because I was ignorant to the fact that I did not know what it meant. I assumed it meant something else that was uplifting. But every time I was called it was me and Tisaro Pereira, there was always laughter in the moment. So me being a team man, I thought, hey, teammates are happy, it must be something funny. I'm gonna be texting you guys and asking you guys, when you repeatedly called me that word over and over again, to the point that I was even saying that's my name, did y'all mean it in any way, shape or form as a degrading word to me? Because that's very important. So all those who used to call me that, you guys know yourself. You know, you have, some of y'all have my numbers, y'all got me on Instagram, on Twitter or wherever. Reach out to me. Let's have a conversation. Because if it was in any way, shape or form what Minaj said it meant, I'm very disappointed. And I'll still be angry and deserve an apology from you guys. Because I saw all of you guys as my brothers. So, talk to me, reach out to me. Please clear the air.